I am going to fart in class. Ha 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 ha. Okay, class. We will take the STAR test. Here comes the fart. Yuck, who farted? I don't know. It wasn't me. It wasn't me either. Oh my god, this is the most stinkiest fart ever. Who did this?
It wasn't me.
Oh my god. It stinks in here. Who farted? Wait! I know who did it. It was Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas, did you fart? Yes, I did fart. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Thomas the Tank Engine, why are you in my office?
I farted in class.
Thomas the Tank Engine, how dare you fart in class? That's you're suspended for the whole year. Get out of my sight.
Oh my fucking god, Thomas, how dare you fart in class? You had caused confusion and delay. You are grounded for life. Go to your shed right now.
Washington, wow 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 wow.